Before the cross there are the cries, rivers crystal clear we unite in the loving arms of Christ. No room for blame and shame, it's game to fight. All this hectic run, trying to achieve the sun, though it's a present to receive. All these strategies, just attempts to escape the grief of recognizing we've been deceived. There is a pride that has to fall for us to hear the call, to leave the ways of bitterness. The harsh head-on just fears the song that goes beyond its used to oceans. In Jesus Christ we break the curses of a tragic past. In Jesus Christ we find the love forevermore. The path, forevermore the path. Before the cross there are the cries, rivers of crystal as we unite in the loving arms of Christ. No room for blame and shame, it's game to fight.